Officer Dan here, coming at you with the R200 2-bolt solid diff bushing install video. So let's get our bush on. So this is what's in the box. You're going to get 4 bushings. The ones on the bottom are the rears, the ones on the top are the fronts. The top ones go in the diff, the bottom ones go in the subframe. Let's get started. The first thing you're going to want to do is to remove the bushings. First method is going to be to crush the outer shell, all 4 corners, and then give it a good whack right on through. If the bushing isn't seized, it should come out and look like this. Now Kobe that sucker into the trash can. Now if your bushings are super seized, you're going to need to drill out the center section and hammer it out, just like we did with the subframe. Kobe, now use a hacksaw to actually weaken that shell. Then grab a chisel and collapse it in, just like the subframe bushings. Pop it on out, Kobe, and then clean up any kind of debris or burrs. We've powder coated this, so we needed to get the paint off of there as well. We've made our own pressing device. It's basically a bolt and a plate that drives the bushing from the back to the front. Now insert the plate and the bolt. Make sure the taper faces outwards. Fit the washers. Fit the nut. Make sure the plates are centered. Secure the bolt and the washer, and then tighten the nut side, ensuring the bushing is pressed in very, very straight. Tighten it down until the bush is flush. Remove the washers, bolt, and nut. Make sure everything is flush with the subframe. Install the diff into the subframe. Get those rear bushings into the diff itself and install the bolt to hold those in place. Get them finger tight for now and then snug them almost all the way up. Boom. Now fit the rear nuts. Torque those to these specs shown here. Now torque the lower diff bolts to these specs shown here. Ensure the diff is fitting flush against both spots where it contacts the subframe. Once that's done, you're done. You can toss it on the car and enjoy your solid mounts. Now remember to check us out on YouTube at the links above. Officer Dan, out.